How to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application on your device and search for Mobile Legends. So make sure that you have the updated version of the Mobile Legends application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the Mobile Legends application. So we're going to go back and make sure that we make a long press on the Mobile Legends application and tap on App Info. As you do that, scroll down and tap on the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you do that, you can either just clear the cache or you can delete all data. Here I'm going to delete all data over here. Next, tap on the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on the option of microphone. So just tap on microphone and give that access to it. Next, make sure that your phone is not in a silent mode. So just tap on the settings icon over here and then scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. So make sure that your volume for your media and your ringtone is to the maximum. Make sure your phone is not in a silent mode and also not on DND. So after that, you can just relaunch the Mobile Legends application and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.